everyone, it's Mrs. Holbrook and it's time for our warm-up. Let's do it echo find letters style today. So I will say it, you'll air point to it and tell me the letter's name. Repeat after me. Z. Good, you should be pointing to S and Z. Sh. What are you pointing to? SH, good. Qua. What letters? QU. I. What letters? I. Ang. What letters? ANG. Repeat after me. Unk. What letters? UNK. Am. What letters? AM. X. What letters? X. What letters? WH and W. Excellent. Let's do all of our vowel sounds that we know so far. Vowel teams first. OA, boat O. OE, toe O. OW, snow O. OW, plow ow. OU, trout ow. OU, soup oo. OO, school oo. OO, book UE, blue oo. UE, rescue you. Great, and that EW is coming up in a moment today, so we'll save that. A apple A safe A. E at EPE. I itch I pine I. O octopus O home O. U You mule you rule oo. Great job, my friends. Now, as I mentioned, we are coming upon a new vowel team today. And here it is. Let's zoom in a little bit. EW. And what you see here is a boy with a pack of chewing gum, and he's going to chew. EW, chew, oo. Nice job. Let's practice reading some words with oo in them. Okay, we can blend if we need to. Do, ch, you, chew, you, few, you, flew. If you don't need to tap, you don't need to. New. Here's a blend. Stew, stew. Do you like to eat stew? I do. Okay, try this next row on your own. Pause it here and practice this column right here with oo in them. Okay, now that you didn't pause, read them with me. Let's go as quickly as we can. Blue, crew, drew, grew, new, through. What kind of new is this? Is this like I got a new bike? Or is this like I knew you were my friend? You knew it. Great job, everyone. Okay, next we have a new trick word. And today's trick word, dun, 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 is in this sentence. I will read it and tell you the trick word and see if you can find it. I want to get a kite. The trick word this week is want. Can you find want and circle it in the air? Yeah, there it is right there. Want. How did you know it was that word? It's the only one that starts with the W, good. Ends with the T. Do you notice there's a glute sound inside of it? What does AN usually say? An. That would make this say want. And also, do you see this smaller word inside of it, ant? That's what makes this tricky. It looks like want instead of want. Okay, that's the tricky part. Let's skywrite it. W-A-N-T. Want. Go ahead and write it on your table now. With your finger, not with a marker. W-A-N-T. Want. Tell me something that you want to happen today. I want to, what do I want to do? I want to eat ice cream. Yum. All right, my friends. Next up, we're going to do some review of two-syllable words. Remember, syllables are those small little puffs of breath that come out when we read within words. Okay, so everything on this list here has two syllables. I switched my list over because I realized the other list was one that we did last week. Okay, there we go. So take a look closely at all of these two-syllable words. When I point to it, I want you to tell me where you think you would break up the syllables. So this one here, find the two consonants and break it up in between. And we can tap out the syllables one at a time. So I'll highlight the syllable, you read it, and then we'll put the word together. Ab-sent. Absent. Okay, where would you break this one out? Between the two consonants. First syllable says admit. Admit. You need to admit when you are wrong. First syllable, sun. Bath. Sun bath. Break up between the consonants. Pub. Second syllable, lish. Word, publish. Okay, now let's read this row more smoothly. Absent, admit, sunbath, publish. Great job. What kinds of syllables were all of those words? They were all closed in, that's right, each little part. Take a look at this row now. We're going to have some that are closed and some that are vowel consonant E. Okay, what's the first syllable say? In. Second syllable, let's tap that. Ood, clued. Whole word, include. First syllable, it's vowel consonant E. That vowel has to say I. Pile up. Pile up. There's a pile up on root 3. Ath, vowel consonant E. Leet. Athlete. Miss. Take. Mistake. Great, let's do this real quickly now. Include. Pile up. Athlete. Mistake. Nice job. And now we have a mix of different syllable types. Do you remember the IC? It says ick, right? There's no K, it's just IC at the end of two-syllable words. Okay. Pan, ick. Panic. Pub, lick. Public. But if the if the K sound is in the end of the first syllable, it's still CK after a short vowel. Back, stop. Backstop. Top, ick. Topic. And now let's read them smoothly. Panic, public, topic, backstop. I was reading ahead. Topic. Nice job. This could be a good time to pause and keep practicing, or even make up some sentences with a few of these words. For example, see how many you can put together. The athlete made a mistake and the baseball went all the way to the backstop, but he didn't panic. Okay, nice job, everybody. It's time for dictation. We're going to do a full dictation today. Sounds, words, trick words, and a sentence. So gather your materials and get ready. Okay, I am going to number mine because I'm not going to show any answers until the end of this dictation. So number 1 is a sound. Repeat after me. Qua. Write the letters that say qua. Pause this at any point if you need more time. Z. Write the letters that say z. Number 3. A. Write the letters that say A. And number 4. Eh. Write the letter that says eh. Number 5, repeat after me. Upset. Write upset. Break up the syllables. Up, set. Tap out each part. No marking up words yet. Number 6. Admit. Admit. Take it one syllable at a time. Number 7. Dislike. Dislike. Number 8, repeat after me. Reptile. Reptile. Okay, and now we're on to 2 trick words. Number 9, own. And number 10, want. Okay, pause here, make sure you have them all done. And I want you to go ahead and mark the syllables on the 2-syllable words. Mark if it's closed or vowel consonant E, and mark the vowels. Pause here, and then in a moment I'm going to put all my answers up for you to compare and fix yours. Okay, let's check your sounds. Qua, Q-U, Z, S and Z. A, we write it A-E, vowel consonant E, and E is that short E. You didn't have to write the breath above it, just the E. Okay, here's upset. You should have marked it like this. Upset. This one's closed, so it's a short U. And this one's closed. It's a short E. Admit. You should have scooped like this. Closed. It's a short A. Closed in. It's a short I. Dislike. Closed. It's a short I. And then we have a vowel, consonant, E. Can't hear the E. It's a long I, straight line with the background. And then lastly, we had reptile. Closed, short E, vowel, consonant E, silent E, long I. And here's the 2 trick words, own and want. Excellent job. And our last part of our dictation today is a sentence. I will draw the lines. You should draw them on your paper too. Here's our sentence. He has been absent from class. One more time. He has been absent from class. He, draw these lines for words with me, has been absent from class. I'll put a little line for the end mark. Okay, pause here and write your sentence. Don't unpause it until you're ready to see mine. Okay, let's check. Did you start with an uppercase? And did you end with the right punctuation? Yeah, you could have also done an exclamation point if you're saying it like with amazement or wonder. Okay, let's check our trick words. Has was a trick word. Make sure that's spelled right. He, then, that was a new trick word today. From is a trick word. Now you only have 2 words to tap out. Absent. Class. And did you remember this bonus S? Great job. Last thing we do, we don't usually mark sentences. We scoop the words and practice reading it smoothly. He has been absent from class. He has been absent from class. He has been absent from class. Nice job making it smooth. Keep up the hard work, you guys. You are a great reader. You can do it.